Hello, my name is Rami Abdallah, and the application I choose to do today is Microsoft Visual Studio, which I will get into right now. Okay, so what is Visual Studio? So it's a coding program that supports many applications of software development, and it was created by Microsoft. So it's kind of like a creative launchpad that allows you to build, debug, build code, publish an app. Basically, it just allows you to it's a platform where it allows you to code on. And the software, it has a free version. It's called it's called Visual Studio Community. And then also it has more professional accounts that cost money for, people who actually code for their work. So, applications in the field. The program itself, it includes several programming technologies like C++, C Sharp, .NET, Java, and Python. These are all different types of coding, and the platform allows us to use all these types of codes to create applications. And like I said, it's used by programmers and developers all around the globe to maintain Windows. So it's used to, if you have any PC that's now on Mac OS, this application is used to maintain it. Mobile apps, web apps, games, databases, and there's a lot more. Anything that you can code for, you can essentially use this software for. And for example, I actually used the software before, so I have my own example. Okay, so here, this is a code that I created a while back. So this is basically this is the code itself. This is the app. Here you have your actual code, and here you have your basically what you will use at the end, like how it looks like behind all the codes and whatnot. So this is the application itself. So let's say here, I'll show you. Okay, so if you press start, so the application I created, basically you enter any phrase you want, and it gives you the number of vowels in it. So let's say how are you, and you calculate that, and the number of vowels will give you, which is five, because of the vowels in the phrase, and close it. So this is a like very small like example of how you can use this. Obviously, it's used a lot more large scale applications. So back to the PowerPoint. So conclusion, I actually really enjoy this software. I think it's great and I don't have any problems with it for when I used it. Obviously I didn't use it as extensive as professionals would, but they also have the paid version, which gives them more tools and other stuff to use. So I believe that it's a very great application for anyone that's trying to get into code. It's good to start on it and it plays a vital role in the coding world. Like I said before, I mean, they use the software to basically function any Windows PC, which is a lot. Like I could say 90% of the globe function on that. So overall, I think it's a pretty great app. And I mean the software. And then this is my citation, the Microsoft Studio website, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.